day, and what we're witnessing is nothing short of a nightmare for air travelers. India's largest airline, Indigo, is in the middle of a major operational meltdown. Flights are being cancelled across the country, leaving passengers stranded, frustrated, and unsure of when they will get to their destinations. Hundreds of flights have been cancelled every single day, making this one of the biggest operational crises in India's aviation history. Now, there are some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast as well. 135 Indigo departures and 90 Indigo arrivals are cancelled since morning in Delhi. So there is no respite for the flyers. Let me go across to Shefali for more updates on that. Over 90 Indigo arrivals have been cancelled and 135 Indigo departures. Shefali, this is a nightmare.
Yes, correct. We are at Terminal 1 of Delhi Airport, and total 225 flights have been cancelled by the Indigo since morning. People here are stranded. They are waiting inside the ticket counter, trying to book different tickets. You can see over here, they are sitting over here waiting for some update from the airlines. They are in distress. We spoke to many passengers who said that they have no options and they are forced to book other airlines which are pricing way much higher price. The hike in prices are seen with other airlines. It clearly shows that the other airlines are now taking advantage of the Indigo crisis. And we have a passenger with me. Yes, sir, your name?
मैं श्रीकांत करुणेश।
सर, कहाँ जा रहे थे आप? क्या
चेन्नई जा रहा था। कल रात का फ्लाइट था 9:45 का इंडिगो का, और कीप ऑन इट वाज पोस्टपोनिंग। अगर वो लोग बोल देते ना 6 बजे वी कैन गो, so we would have taken it very easily. We could have gone back to the room or rested. And every 2 hours they are postponing, and they are changing the gates also. Second number gate 15, 18, 23, and बच्चों को लेके महिला लोग इधर उधर घूम रहे हैं, और हम कहीं पे बैठ नहीं सकते हैं, लॉन्ज नहीं ले सकते हैं. And so many problems we had. There is no water. Water bottle is sold inside for 90 rupees a bottle.
So you can see people are struggling. They have been waiting here at the airport since last night. No communication have been provided by the Indigo. I am also told that inside the airport there is no staff to help these passengers, to assist them. No basic water, food, anything is being given to the passengers. They're just lying on ground inside, and no assistance, again, I'm saying, is being provided by the Indigo airline.
Absolutely. Shefali, stay on with us. We also have Arpita, Isha and Nilesh joining us on the broadcast. Before we go across to our other reporters, let's take a look at this ground report filed by Shefali earlier.
Indigo's operational disruptions or cancellations continues to occur. Passengers at the airport continue to suffer. हसमुख जी, कहाँ जा रहे थे आप और क्या सिचुएशन है? क्या बताया जा रहा है इंडिगो से?
हम लोग मुंबई जा रहे थे और पूरे सब फ्लाइट कैंसल, और 2 बजे बता रहे, 4 बजे बता रहे, फिर बोले 6 बजे हो जाएगा। पूरा रात भर परेशान कर दिए हमको।
तो अभी और फ्लाइट्स के ऑप्शंस देखे तो क्या आ रहा है?
अभी और फ्लाइट के 35,000, 50,000, और फ्लाइट कोई भी फ्लाइट है ही नहीं, और 50,000 में एक फ्लाइट है।
मेरे जीजा जी कल एक्सपायर हो गए, तो मेरे को 6 बजे निकलने का था। तो यहाँ पे मैं आया तो बोलते कोई टिकट अवेलेबल नहीं है। फिर उसको मैंने बोला कि कैसे करो, फिर बाद में वो टिकट अवेलेबल नहीं था। बाद में बोलता है इंडिगो का मिल रहा है, वो 9 बजे का था, 9 बजे का 11:10 हो गया। उसके बाद कंटिन्यू रात को खड़ा हुआ, बोलता है 3 बजे मिला। तो एक फ्लाइट में 3 बजे हमको 10 टिकट, वैकेंसी में 30 टिकट थी, हम लोगों को 10 आदमी को अंदर जाने नहीं दिया।
मेरी सिस्टर का आरपीएफ का एग्जाम था, मैंने 3 तारीख की फ्लाइट कर रखी थी, 3 को कैंसिल कर दिया, फिर 4 को रीशेड्यूल कर दिया, फिर 4 को भी कैंसिल कर दिया, फिर आज सुबह कर दिया, वो भी कैंसिल कर दिया। उसका गवर्नमेंट जॉब का फिजिकल था, मैंने स्पाइस जेट की दोबारा करा के 11 बजे वो भी लेट कर दिया। अब 2 बजे निकली है वो।
जो आपने स्पाइस जेट की फ्लाइट कराई है, नॉर्मल प्राइस आ रहे थे उनके की
20,000।
So these are the distressed passengers now also saying that there are other airlines who are now taking advantage of the Indigo crisis and charging double or more than double of the 4 to 5 times more than the original price that should be there. Some passengers told that they are charging 20,000, 45,000, 50,000 rupees to a travel which generally requires 5,000, 6,000 rupees. With video journalist Shefali Nigam, Times Now.
And amid this crisis, there are political reactions coming